The following is an easy hummingbird nectar recipe. And this ratio is a 4-to-1 ratio, so I'm using 4 cups of filtered water. You need regular white table sugar, and I'm using 1 cup of sugar. Now, if you don't have filtered water, you could boil the water. I am still boiling the water for the purpose of dissolving the sugar. And it's important that we do not add red dye to this nectar hummingbird recipe. It's important that we also do not feed hummingbirds honey or brown sugar. Okay, now I am cleaning my hummingbird feeder. I just bought it, so I'm just rinsing it. And if you always rinse it in case of mold and when you're changing the feeding. And this particular hummingbird comes apart, so I'm also rinsing the bottom plate. And I like how simple it seems because I could fill it up and clean it very easily. The red color is what matters because that's what attracts hummingbird to feed, the red. So you do not need to add red dye. This is just water and sugar, water and regular sugar. And change the hummingbird feeder every 1 to 2 days because then the sugar ferments. Then you place it outside and just watch the lovely hummingbirds come and feed. Again, all you need is water and sugar and a red hummingbird feeder, and voila, hummingbird magic at your door.